Hey everyone, welcome back to Rodenzone. Today we're answering a big question: Fiverr or Upwork. Which platform is great for all time? If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Fiverr is great for offering specific services at set prices, starting at $5. It's easy to start, perfect for small tasks, but can be competitive with lower pay initially. Upwork lets you bid on projects. It offers long-term contracts and various job categories, but it takes time to build a reputation, and the fees can be high. Starting on Fiverr is quicker and simpler. You create a profile, list your services, and clients come to you. On Upwork, you need detailed info and approval, then search for jobs and submit proposals. Earning potential on Fiverr starts low, but grows with good reviews. Upwork also starts low, but can lead to higher earnings with long-term projects. Fiverr is best for short-term, creative tasks like logo design or voiceovers. Upwork is ideal for long-term, professional projects like web development or consulting. Fiverr takes a 20% commission on all earnings. Upwork uses a sliding scale: 20% for the first $500, 10% for billings up to $10,000, and 5% beyond that. Fiverr's user interface is simple and user-friendly. Upwork's interface is more complex but offers great support. Fiverr is best for quick, smaller projects and niche services, especially for beginners. Upwork is ideal for professionals seeking long-term, higher-value projects and are willing to invest time in building a strong profile. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your skills and goals. Why not try both and see which fits you better? Let me know in the comments which platform you prefer and why. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to Rodenzone for more tips on making money online.